Gujarat, ragging death. Brilliant son who died just a month after joining medical college. Tested positive for COVID at the time of his admission to college in September. All his medical reports were normal. A farmer who owns 18 bighas, Natwar Bhai, says they had paid Rs 6 lakh as the fee for Anil's first semester. My wife Nidhi and I dropped him to his hostel on October 14. All of us were excited since Anil would come home a front night later for Diwali vacation. He says the family last spoke to Anil in the evening on November 16. We spoke around 7:30 p.m. on Saturday, November 16. He called us daily in the evening. He sounded happy and spoke to everyone. Natwar Bhai recalls a call he received a few hours later would shatter their world irrecoverably at 12:50 a.m. on November 17. A resident doctor at the Jams MBBS college called me. He said Anil had fallen unconscious and had been admitted to the hospital, said Natwar Bhai. The family rushed to the college. We reached there around 4 a.m. At the college hospital, a doctor informed us that Anil was no more. He said. Later, Natwar Bhai says the family was asked to attend a meeting where the dean, the police, first year students, and seniors were present. The meeting ended after it was discovered that Anil had fainted off after being dragged for the 3 hours. He had been forced to remain standing. He was rushed to the hospital on the premise where he died, said Dharmendra, Anil's cousin. Anil's body was handed over to the family around 11:30 a.m. on November 17. After a post-mortem examination, meanwhile, Anil's family has demanded punitive action against both the students responsible and the college administration. No one else should lose their son or daughter like we did. We were aware that ragging happened in medical colleges, but assumed it had stopped by now with all the rules in place. So we never asked about it or heard about it from Anil. The father said, Sandeep 32. Once one of Anil's cousins says the incident has left people scared for the safety of their children. Since the incident, people have been saying that it is better to make them, their children, do farming. At least they will be alive and with their family. They have been saying, says Sandeep. starting that the family wants justice for Anil. Sandeep adds the senior students responsible for Anil's death should be expelled. A simple suspension will not do. In fact, they should be banned from taking admission anywhere in the country or abroad. This is a very sadly incident in Gujarat. A brilliant student to die by the ragging. This is a main and very big fault colleges roles to stop in this incidents and in this way. What's your comments in this articles to do to putting now and questioning all the best?